Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming whether the screen is physically damaged or just unresponsive. Disconnect the type cover and any USB devices before testing. Use the 2-button shutdown procedure to fully power cycle the tablet. Press and hold power for 30 seconds, then hold volume up and power for 15 seconds. Wait 10 seconds, then press power to restart normally. Open settings to see if touch responds after restart. If touch still fails, move to driver and firmware checks next. Open Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices to find the touch entry. Right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen and choose Update Driver or Roll Back. Run Windows Update and then open the Surface app to install firmware updates. Reboot after driver and firmware changes to apply them correctly. If touch registers but misbehaves, open Control Panel and use Tablet PC settings to calibrate. Follow the calibration crosses until accuracy improves and save the new configuration. Run Surface Diagnostics app or boot into UEFI to perform the touchscreen hardware test. If the digitizer fails tests, inspect for loose ribbon connectors or visible damage around the bezel. Back up your files immediately before attempting a factory reset or system image restore. Try a factory reset only if software and driver fixes fail to restore touch. If reset does not help, contact Microsoft support or an authorized repair center for digitizer or screen replacement. Professional repair is recommended when internal hardware or connectors are damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.